Liam would love this. 1, 2, $3.
That's one of our most popular birthday gifts. It's really nice. I wish I had enough. I still have time. I'll think of something. 21, 22, 23. Still not enough. I know! Dad!
Hey, buddy.
Can I help you wash the car?
Of course.
I'll get the windows. These wheels are next.
Thanks for helping.
You're welcome, Dad. Do you think I could earn a little money?
What do you need the money for?
Liam's birthday.
Helping your family is something we do because we love each other. But there may be another way. It comes to $2.
Thank you anyway. I wanted to buy something amazing. Liam doesn't just like toys. He loves football.
He was drawing.
And he loves our adventures. I can make something. Ben? Don't look! What are you hiding? It's a surprise. For Liam? Can I help? I want to make it myself. I think Liam will like anything you make. Oh no.
Working hard?
You didn't see anything.
My lips are sealed. You know, when someone spends time making something, they're giving more than a gift. They're giving part of themselves.
I bought Liam a huge Lego set. My parents got him a remote control helicopter.
Wow.
We found a football jersey. Mine isn't like theirs. You're thinking about the birthday gift. What if Liam doesn't like it? What if everyone laughs? Can I ask you something? If Liam made something just for you, would you laugh?
No, I'd love it.
Why? Because he made it for me.
Exactly.
I hope you like it.
Wow, so many balloons! Happy birthday, Liam! Thank you! Come on in!
Let's go make your friends smile.
Ben, we're so happy you came. Happy birthday!
Ben! I've been waiting for you! Come on! Happy birthday!
Wow, look at all these gifts!
Wow, look at all the presents!
It's so small.
Let's play football! Liam, over here!
You can leave your gift on the table. I'll do it later.
Okay!
You're not playing. I will in a minute. You're worried. Look at those gifts. They're amazing. So is yours. Mine is just paper. Is that all it is? You didn't just wrap a gift. You spent days making it. You even started over when you made a mistake.
Everyone, it's time to open the birthday presents.
Wow! Wow! Thank you! I really like it!
This one is from Ben. Happy birthday, Liam. Thank you for always choosing me for your football team. Thank you for helping me when I fell from my bike. Thank you for sharing your lunch when I forgot mine. You are the best friend I could ask for. I hope we make many more memories together. I'm sorry. I couldn't buy a bigger gift. You didn't. You made one. No one else could buy this.
You drew all of these? Yeah. I wish I had something like this.
When I'm older, I probably won't remember every toy, but I'll always remember this.
So, what was the best gift today?
Think it wasn't about the money.
No, it never was.
Ben, come on!